catch him? He's not even hungry.
You know what? I have a plan. We're gonna need my snake cam and your sonic distractors.
All right, what's the plan?
If the dog sees us, he'll run, so we need to keep out of sight. The snake cam will let me stay in cover and keep an eye on him. Are you in position?
I'm in position.
Stay hidden! Get the sonic distractor ready!
It's ready.
Great, let's do it! We'll use the sonic distractor to lure the dog near your hiding spot. When the dog runs over to investigate, you snap the leash onto his collar. Do you have the leash ready? He's coming!
I got the leash. It's ready.
Nice, dude, you got the dog.
Yeah. What's it say?
It's the combination I've been looking for.
Awesome!
Whoa!
Spy gear?
Look at all this stuff.
Let's start a new mission.
Spy Gear Action Cam. You can record video, clip it almost anywhere, capture all the action, and share it with friends.
Let's meet at the park. Hey, give me back my hat. Have you seen him?
Spy Gear video walkie-talkies let you video chat.
He's right behind you. Come here, Max.
In spy mode, it doubles as a video walkie-talkie lookout.
Got it.
Spy Gear video walkie-talkies, batteries not included, from Spin Master.
There's a secret message.
Anything you want, you can dream it, believe it, it's yours. So never stop believing in you. We gon' fight like no tomorrow. We gon' fight. Be the best version of you. Oh yeah, you gotta do, always gotta do you. Oh yeah, just stay true to you.
If you've ever flown a drone, you know how great it feels. You pull the levers and suddenly you're flying your own tiny plane. It's exciting. This is Metafly. And flying it is exciting on a completely different level. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's level 11 exciting. Maybe even 12. Metafly has wings that enable it to fly just like winged animals do. So it can maneuver just like winged animals do. Technically, it's not a drone. It's an ornithopter. But really, it's more than that. It's a Metafly. Metafly flies using a unique method called biomimetics, denoting synthetic methods that mimic natural processes. You know how a bird flies into your house and can navigate around everything without hitting anything? Metafly can do that, because it mimics the natural movement of the bird with its synthetic wings. See what we did there? That's science explaining awesomeness. Metafly flies just like in nature. It can take turns, fly slow or fast, and can maneuver around anything. It can also glide and be controlled to glide left and right. With those abilities, Metafly is one of the few RC flying objects that can actually fly in small spaces. Here it is flying in an office. Here it is flying in a house. Here it is flying in an even smaller house. Outdoors, Metafly can enjoy its full speed. By changing the direction of its tail, Metafly can fly faster when its tail is down, or more controllable when it's up. Due to its 2-channel remote control that allows for further range, no interference, and maximum control, you can fly Metafly super fast towards those dense trees, and then maneuver between them like only a Metafly can. Now that's even level 13 exciting. Oh, and don't worry about crashing. Metafly has elastic wings and legs, in addition to both front and back bumpers to protect its body. Take that, tree! Metafly is the result of more than 40 years of research and development. Edwin, an aeronautical engineer and the creator of Metafly, got into the field after his grandfather, this cool dude, created the first successful mechanic bird together with Edwin's father. Much later, Edwin himself successfully crowdfunded and delivered Bionic Bird. Now, he's diving even deeper into the world of biomimetics to take flight abilities even further. So if you want to fly just like animals in nature do, get Metafly and get ready to immerse yourself in an experience like no other.